Okay, welcome to Factory Farm in Missouri. Behind me we've got the solar panels, and on top of the solar panels, the roof of the workshop is our water catchment system. You can see there's a white gutter that comes at an angle, slanting away to the end of the building. So the water comes down all the way to the end, goes round and into barrels, which we'll see on the inside in a minute. There's a couple of metal panels this end of the building which come down to a smaller gutter that leads down to the blue barrel, well, the white and blue barrel, which I've used for drinking water all spring and summer for the last 6 months. The water falls into the first barrel, then it builds up, continues down into the blue one, and that kind of filters out anything, and then again pass it through another paper filter before drinking it, and it tastes really good. Right, so the water comes off the roof, round through this tube here, you can see, through the pipe down there, down to the ground, and from the ground it feeds out of these little black tubes into the barrels. The weight of the water, with it coming from a higher level than the barrels, it evens out gravity, and it fills the barrels up to the top. Because the catchment of the water is above the barrels, we have 18 barrels. At the moment they're all about half full, maybe a bit more. And yeah, it lasts 18 barrels, 4 people is enough water for about 3-4 months kind of thing. So it rains at least once a month here, plenty enough. Okay, once we've caught the water in the barrels, we then filter that through another tube. Actually, you might want to zoom in down here just to get a clip. Once we've caught the water from the barrels, it comes through to the end. They join up into one tube, and that tube follows round into here. This is a filter, this is a water pump, that's an electric motor that powers the water pump. The water pump goes into this tank, which is like a bladder. It has a certain amount of air pressure in the top. Water gets pumped into the bottom half, gets pressured. The pressure of the compressed air on the top keeps it under pressure, and it works like so. And from there, the water comes out through this tube and into the shower and the sinks in the house. Here's our shower, and we fitted the water system, at the back as so. So couplers, elbows, T-joints, plenty of thread tape. Simple stuff from your local hardware.